What the heck is going on with her horn? I have to keep an eye on that. Hi, baby girl. Hi. What you doing? Stopped raining for a little bit. And come out and be free. Yay. Ugh. My daughter. Anything for me? What? Don't make me have to rescue a dog. Let me go see. Yeah, the black dog. He went down to the neighbor's house. Somebody probably dumped him. I hate that. But yeah, see if I can get through this mess without breaking my neck. And go see Jack. The rain stopped, so I'm trying to get out of my boredom. Hi, Jack. What are you doing, Jack? Oh, I see y'all out of hay, huh? Is that why you're hee-hawing so much? You won't. The only thing I worry about a stray animal around here is because of my goats. Hello, Lily. It's paper, see? It's my mail. Junk mail. Anybody want any? I know Jack does. But yeah, he went down in a neighbor's yard. He's so goofy. But anyway, as long as he don't hurt my goats or any other animal I have. I gotta get y'all some hay, huh? Y'all need to slow down. Y'all are breaking me. Stop eating so much. Oh, don't you shake your head at me. Ooh, my baby's got a mark on his leg. Look at that. I wonder what happened there. Looks like you might have scraped it. What are you doing up in my grill? Yeah. Let's go look at my boys. Gosh, it's so weird. We have these things everywhere. They're like little mud pies. Okay, come on, show me. My grandson. Hold on.
Yellow is what?
Yep.
Oh, it's yellowish.
Ew. So let's see if Jack's gonna get Bonnie. But no, Bonnie, there's a dog loose around here. You gonna open it?
Yes.
Oops. Tell us what it tastes like.
Oh, what the?
Yeah. You got your dad's.
How do I take that off?
You want it off?
Yeah, I want that off.
Well, just try it first and then. Yeah?
Yep,
All
let's
right.
do it.
Almost like it's misting. All right, we got the boys. Their food, and Jack thinks it's his. Oh, man. Okay. Well, if you'd like to move your head. Move. You can't put it in there because they're always got their heads in there. Annoying. As long as they share. Hello, attack of the crazy. All right, here, I'll put y'all some here. You know you're not supposed to be eating this. All right, let me. I was getting mad because they wanted to. Look, she's turning white. It's like almost turning white. Oh, what is y'all's problem? Come on. Come here, Georgia. Where you at, Georgia? Look, I'm trying to help you here. Come on here. Come. There. Eat that. All right. Oh, attitude. Y'all just want everything. I can't believe it. It's like drizzling. That's the worst kind of weather because it seems like it never stops. So yeah, I gotta get used to this, holding this like this, but I need to get me one of those little thingies that everybody else uses. Alright, so now I gotta go feed, let's see. Well, I don't have to feed the goats now because they're eating chickens. Gotta go check on my chickens and see how they're doing. So now I'll go back in because I'm drizzled and work inside today. I don't like the drizzle. I don't like my shirt. I let my mind wander. It hasn't came back. Hello, Annabelle. You're on candid camera. Silly girl. Anyway, I'm the only person in this house takes their shoes off. This makes me mad. See, my daughter is crazy. Oh, those stuffed animals. Crazy, huh? That's what she loves, stuffed animals. And that's what I'm working on, actually. Stuffed animals. But yeah. Oh, forgot the light. This is my office. And this is where the disaster is. This is where I do my jewelry, my stuffed animals, and whatever else sells. I'll show you my grandson's art that he made me put on my wall. But gotta love him. He likes his art. But yeah, so I've been sitting here. My first thing I do is I watch the videos I want to watch, which is usually Sneed's Farmhouse. But yeah, these are the ones I watch. And then I say this is my break time. And then after that, I'll work. But right now, I'm going to have my coffee and watch a video, get myself motivated in this rainy day to do something today. So,